The LED Headlamp Rechargeable 2 PCS is an impressive offering for anyone in need of reliable illumination during outdoor activities or work-related tasks. With a striking 230-degree COB chip-on-board design, these headlamps provide exceptionally broad and even lighting that enhances visibility without the harsh shadows often found with traditional flashlights. The simplicity of wearing it on the forehead or a hard hat ensures hands-free convenience, which is invaluable in both professional and recreational settings. One of the standout features of this headlamp set is its rechargeable capability. The inclusion of USB-C charging is a modern touch, allowing for fast and efficient recharging. Users will find it easy to keep the lights powered up, whether at home, in the car, or on a camping trip. Additionally, the headlamp's long-lasting battery life means that you can rely on it for extended periods, making it a trustworthy companion for nighttime hikes, running sessions,